Hi guys, today we're going to talk about severity of head injuries. So this question gets asked quite often by my patients. Do you have to lose consciousness to have a severe head trauma? Well, there's no doubt if you lost consciousness, that probably suggests that your head injury was fairly severe. Does it mean that you have to lose it to have a severe concussion? No. So keep in mind that everyone's situation is different. I've had patients playing volleyball and someone comes down and get elbow to a head. I've had other people where they're going inside of a car and they just kind of bump their head on the car door. I've had maybe some contractors where a tool kind of fell and bonked them in the head. So the way that the head injuries happen themselves, some of them are quite severe, like rolling a car. Others are quite simple, like hitting your head on a cupboard door. The one thing we have to keep in mind is that every single one of those patients has a different history. Not only that, we're not all built the same. So we all have certain things within our physiology, the way our brains are working, the way we kind of grew up, the traumas that we had throughout our lifetime that can either put you in a higher risk or better risk of having those kind of negative consequences following these hits to the head. So, of course, the more head injuries or traumas you have in your past, the higher likelihood you are of being in a worse position when you do just have that small little bonk to your head. Other things to consider when you have head injuries is age plays into consideration. Also, gender plays into consideration. Typically speaking, males tend to recover better from head injuries than females do. So there's a lot of factors here. Some of them within your control to kind of mitigate, and some of them that are completely outside of your control that all play an impact in terms of how severe your concussion is and how easily you will recover from it.